Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we're talking about how to keep your car looking brand new, but not under the hood this time. We're going deep on interior car care with 7 brilliant habits to keep your car clean inside. Whether you're a neat freak or just tired of crumbs taking over your car, these tips are for you. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep so you don't miss any new cleaning tips and tricks. All right, let's kick things off with the most important habit: regular vacuuming. It's the foundation of maintaining a clean and pleasant car environment. Regular vacuuming not only keeps your car looking good, but also extends the life of your car's interior. And trust me, I get it. Life gets busy, and sometimes vacuuming the car is the last thing on your mind. Between work, family, and social commitments, finding the time can be challenging. But think about it. Your car is like a second home, especially if you spend a lot of time commuting or traveling. But here's the thing. Dirt and dust build up so fast, especially if you're like me, always on the go. Every time you get in and out of your car, you bring in tiny particles of dirt, dust, and debris. Over time, these particles accumulate, making your car look and feel dirty. Think of it this way. You wouldn't let your living room floor go weeks without a vacuum, right? Your car deserves the same attention. A clean car interior not only looks good, but also contributes to a healthier environment, free from allergens and dust. Show your car some love, and it will reward you with a more enjoyable driving experience. It can even improve your mood and reduce stress while driving. Now, I'm not saying you need to vacuum every day, but once a week can make a world of difference. Establishing a weekly routine ensures that dirt and debris don't have a chance to build up. It also makes each cleaning session quicker and easier. Weekly cleaning helps to prevent dirt from getting ground into the carpets and upholstery. It helps maintain the quality and appearance of your car's interior, preserving its value over time. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget about those hard-to-reach areas. These spots can be a magnet for crumbs, dust, and other debris. Taking a few extra minutes to clean these areas can make a big difference. A crevice tool is your best friend here. It's designed to get into those tight spaces where a regular vacuum attachment can't reach. Get under the seats, between the center console and seats, all those nooks and crannies where crumbs like to hide. These areas are often overlooked but can harbor a lot of dirt and debris. Trust me, your car will thank you. So, make regular vacuuming a part of your car care routine and enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, healthier, and more pleasant driving experience. Next up, we're tackling those surfaces. Just like your kitchen counters or coffee table, your car's interior surfaces need regular attention. Think about it. You touch your steering wheel, door handles, and dashboard every time you drive. All that contact transfers oils, dirt, and who knows what else, leaving behind a breeding ground for germs and grime. That's why a weekly wipe down is key. Grab a microfiber cloth and some interior cleaner, and give everything a good once-over. And don't forget about those often neglected areas like the cup holders, air vents, and even the seat belts. A quick wipe down once a week will keep your car looking sharp and prevent dirt and grime from building up over time. Now, let's talk seat covers. I know, some people think they're only for grandparents or work trucks. But trust me, seat covers are a game changer when it comes to keeping your car clean, especially if you have kids, pets, or just live an active lifestyle. Think about it, your seats take a beating. Spills, crumbs, pet hair, you name it, they've seen it all. Seat covers act like a protective barrier, shielding your precious upholstery from all that wear and tear. And the best part, when they get dirty, you can just toss them in the wash. No more scrubbing stains or trying to vacuum up pet hair embedded in the fabric. Plus, seat covers come in so many different styles and materials these days, you can find some that actually look good and match your car's interior. Don't underestimate the power of seat covers, my friends. Imagine this. You're on a road trip with your family, and your kids are munching on snacks in the back seat. Crumbs are inevitable, right? But with seat covers, you don't have to worry about those crumbs getting ground into your car's upholstery. Just remove the seat covers, give them a good shake, or throw them in the wash, and your car is as good as new. And for pet owners, seat covers are a lifesaver. No more struggling to remove pet hair from the fabric. The seat cover catches it all, and you can easily clean it off. Whether you prefer leather, neoprene, or a more breathable fabric, there's something for everyone. And installation is a breeze, so you can have them on in no time. Think about the long-term benefits too. By protecting your car seats, you're preserving the resale value of your vehicle. Clean, well-maintained seats can make a big difference when it's time to sell or trade your car in. So next time you're considering an upgrade for your car, don't overlook seat covers. They might just be the secret weapon you need to keep your car looking and feeling new. Remember, it's not just about aesthetics, it's about practicality and making your life easier. Seat covers are a small investment with a big payoff. So go ahead, give your car the protection it deserves. You'll thank yourself later. Your car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's an extension of your lifestyle. Keep it clean, keep it stylish, and most importantly, keep it protected with seat covers. All right, let's be real for a second. No matter how careful we are, spills happen. Whether it's a dropped coffee cup, a melted candy bar, or if you're really unlucky, a rogue ketchup packet, dealing with spills quickly is crucial. The longer you let a spill sit, the harder it is to clean up and the more likely it is to stain. Here's a pro tip. Keep a pack of cleaning wipes in your car. They're a lifesaver for quick cleanups on the go. As soon as a spill happens, grab a wipe and attack it. It's much easier to clean up a fresh spill than one that's had time to set in. And hey, if you're feeling extra prepared, keep a small trash bag in your car too, so you have a place to toss those used wipes and other trash. Chapter 5. Organization is key. A place for everything. Now let's talk about organization. Remember that time you were late for work and couldn't find your keys because they were buried under a pile of receipts, empty water bottles, and that gym bag you've been meaning to take out of your car for a week? Yeah, we've all been there. But seriously, keeping your car organized not only makes it look cleaner, but it also makes your life easier. Invest in a car organizer for the back seat or trunk to keep things tidy. Use a small bin to corral loose items like sunglasses, phone chargers, and parking passes. And make it a habit to clear out any trash or unnecessary items every time you get out of the car. Trust me, a little organization goes a long way. Chapter 6. The dreaded food rule. Avoid eating in the car. Okay, this next habit might be a tough one for some of you, but trust me on this. Avoid eating in your car. I know, sometimes it's unavoidable. You're rushing between appointments, or you're starving after a long day, and that drive-thru is calling your name. But here's the thing. Eating in your car is a surefire way to end up with crumbs, spills, and lingering odors. And let's be honest, who hasn't found a French fry or a rogue Skittle under their car seat weeks, maybe even months later? It's not pretty. If you absolutely have to eat in your car, try to choose foods that are less likely to make a mess, and clean up any crumbs or spills immediately. But the best way to keep your car clean is to avoid eating in it altogether. Think about it. Your car is like a second home for many of us. We spend hours commuting, running errands, and sometimes even just relaxing in it. Keeping it clean can make those experiences much more pleasant. Instead of eating in your car, consider taking a few extra minutes to eat outside. Find a park bench, a picnic table, or even a rest stop. Not only will this keep your car clean, but it can also give you a much-needed break from driving. If you must eat in your car, invest in a small trash can or keep a stash of trash bags handy. This way, you can quickly dispose of any wrappers, napkins, or food containers. Also, keep some wet wipes and a small vacuum in your car. These can be lifesavers for quick cleanups and can help maintain a fresh-smelling interior. Remember, a clean car is not just about aesthetics. It can also improve your mood and reduce stress while driving. There's something incredibly satisfying about stepping into a clean, fresh-smelling car. Set a no-eating rule for your car and explain it to your passengers. Most people will understand and respect your decision, especially when they see how clean and pleasant your car is. So next time you're tempted to eat in your car, remember these tips. Take a moment to step outside, enjoy your meal, and keep your car clean and fresh. Your future self will thank you. In the end, avoiding eating in your car is a small habit that can make a big difference. It keeps your car looking great, smelling fresh, and makes every drive a more enjoyable experience. Chapter 7. Fresh Finish Air Fresheners. Finally, let's talk about air fresheners. Now, I'm not talking about those overpowering, chemical-laden ones that give you a headache. I'm talking about subtle, pleasant scents that can make your car smell fresh and inviting. A light air freshener can mask any lingering odors and create a more enjoyable driving experience. But remember, air fresheners are not a substitute for actual cleaning. They're just the finishing touch. So make sure you're keeping up with your regular cleaning routine, and then add an air freshener to complete the fresh, clean car vibe. So there you have it, 7 brilliant clean car habits to keep your car looking and smelling like new. Remember, a little effort goes a long way when it comes to car care. By incorporating these habits into your routine, you can keep your car clean and enjoyable to drive for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your own car cleaning habits in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.